In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Looker Studio with the Google Sheets. So this is actually very simple. First, go to lookerstudio.com and sign into your account. So that's lookerstudio.google.com. And then you want to click on blank report over here. And you'll be able to see your connectors to add in data with for the first time you're doing this. There we go. And here you'll be able to see under Google Connectors, Google Sheets. So you want to click on that, and for the first time you do this, you're going to have to authorize. So the authorize process looks like this. You want to click on authorize, and it's going to just basically require you to sign into your account again and authorize everything. And then whenever you've done that, you'll be able to see all your sheets, all your items owned by you, shared with you, etc. So it's going to be a bunch of data, and you can then go ahead and select the spreadsheet you'd like, select the worksheet inside that spreadsheet, and then you can go ahead and set different options. And whenever you're ready, just click on add over here. It's going to start loading for a few seconds, and then you can click on add again after you actually confirm this. So there we go. This is going to start loading. Okay. And there we go. It says add to report. And then you'll be able to add this to the report just by that. There we go. As you can see, it's now gotten added to my report, and you can go ahead and customize it the way you want to. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.